So what did equities do at that same time? So there's COVID. So Trump, look what happened here. What were equities doing? Equities actually did the same thing after Trump got elected the first time. Look at this. We topped out in when? January. So same thing. Q4, first year, the first month of the second year, Q1. It's basically the same exact time frame. Okay. This is when we topped. Trump gets elected in November of 16, which is where? Right here. Look what happened. Up in equities this whole time, topping out in Q4 of his first year in office. Okay. So equities did the same thing. Crypto did the same thing last time. Why would we expect something different this presidency with similar policy, similar ideology, playing out similar in the markets? So the big explosive move that we're looking for in altcoins, this topping in the cycle, these blow off tops where we're all gonna fucking make money hand over fist, we're actually right on track. The issue is people have no patience. People lack patience. They don't see the forest through the they miss the forest through the trees, right? And so that's what we're going through right now. Is people were expecting this run up, this blow off top, all this shit to happen much earlier in the cycle, when two things are true. Number one, you can't expect to get rich quick. And number two, your timing was off. We're actually right on time. We're actually doing what we're supposed to be doing. But if you don't have this context, this bigger picture context, you're going to psych yourself out of the market much sooner than those who are going to win. I've said this in the past. I'm going to say it again. Commonly, what separates the winners from the losers in equities, in crypto, and investing is who's able to outlast the other market participants the longest. Who's able to outlast the other market participants the longest will win, because they can bag hold, they can accumulate, they can go through more price action over a longer period of time than somebody who can't afford to keep their money in the markets. You see, this is why I make the point inside of the Taylor's Code, why it's so important to have an income outside of investing. Okay. I don't make my income from day trading. It's not what I do. To me, day trading doesn't make sense. I swing trade. I invest over longer periods of time, multi-month, multi-year trades. Why? Because then I can outlast other people. I can position for more surefire bets in the long run. And what that allows me to do, because my income is not dependent on how markets are performing or how much money I'm making on trading, I can simply outlast other people. Other people, they want to put their last dollar into the market. They can't pay their fucking rent or any of their bills. Market tanks, they jeet their backs for a loss because they're all scared and they need rent money. Can't win that way. You have no longevity with that. So you have to see the forest through the trees. Okay? We're right on pace. We're actually doing exactly what we're supposed to be doing. Okay? It'll give you more confidence. So that's how we played out last Trump presidency, first year. Topped out in Q4 of his first year in the presidency. Okay. So that's what we're probably going to do this time. Now, let's go back to up here. Okay. So I'm expecting Q3, Q4 top this year. All right. Now let's take a look at, what time is it? How much time we got? We're good. So now let's look at some other macro plays. Who are these Fugas? All these Fugas. Look at these guys. Okay. Let's take a look at, what should we take a look at? Good piece of alpha. I'll show you something else. Okay. So here's another bit of confluence we can use for cycle topping.